Hello.
Hello! Just built Mr. Jimmy Chatfield's farm. I'm going to showcase it now. We can have a lovely look at the new yard. We've got this big grass field on the right, some more grass fields on the left here. We've got the main entrance just here. Got a nice machinery shed on the right. And if we just pull in, what, in the windmill?
I didn't realise he'd actually placed that, actually.
No. And here we've got some more sheds. We've got rollers here, baler, got his John Deere with a plough that's hitting the roof. Got mowers. Got his nice house, got his garden. We've got Walter, just sort of, yeah.
The plough isn't quite just hitting really.
Garden, house. Got the garage, which contains a brown Ford Ranger. God knows why. There you go, locked away. Yep, there's a machine shed. Got lovely cow shed. Diesel Bowser there. Then round here we've got double grain shed, and we've got a workshop. What in the dodgy pallet loading? What the dodgy? And we've got workshop shed.
Oh, don't ask about that. I have to load that up because, yeah.
Workshop shed, workshop.
I was lagging.
Just all that. Big wagon. What's it there? And then we've got the grain shed. We've got some dodgy tanker. You got the grain shed in here. Lovely jubbly. That's the grain shed. Nice and spacious for 2 crops, maybe 3 if you're lucky. If you can fit. Slurry, spout, poo pile, pit area. Bale shed. Most of all the bales will topple over because FS physics are crap. Yeah, we've got his silage pit. Nice big wide silage pit. Not a lot of silage in it, because I only did 1 field of maize, but nice. Got some silage. It's on 63% fermenting, so that'll be ready next month, won't it? Thereabouts.
Yeah, just in brackets, this is all on console as well.
Yeah, he's deleted the gate I put down. Wow, lemon.
Yeah, to be fair, it were a bit dodgy when you come into the bit because it's stuck out.
Fair enough. So yeah, and then apparently he's put a greenhouse down somewhere. Wow. It's got some dodgem concrete. That's actually not too bad. He's left the doors open. What's he growing?
Let some ventilation.
We've got what, lettuce, tomatoes, some asparagus. It looks like asparagus. What in the noises? Now if we go into construction from an aerial view, here it is. If you want to replicate it, you can. I mean, it's free to whatever. It's on the main farm we start off with. However, this bit is cut off for this big field round here. Also got some gates in from the road and up to this field. So yeah, and then it's got these
more videos if you want closer close up to it for sheds and models.
We also have other entrance from this track down here. So yeah, nice tight farm. Pretty good. My camera keep being dodgems. So there you go. Farm. Want to copy it? There you go. The mods we used are some buildings are from the Kinlaig DLC, like the house, those 2 sheds, and this bale shed. Greenhouse is base game. The grain sheds are part of Britsh Grain Sheds pack. Just here. The cow shed is by Large UK Cow Barn. Silage pit. That is, where is it? British style bunker silo. And this windmill, I think, is base game. This shed here, this machinery shed, is just quite a simple one. It's still sheds pack. You get these 2 sheds, one with the wall like we've got here, and one that's open, and a nice a long shed as well. Then these sheds are in the base, in the highest fishing pack. This fuel tank's in highest fishing pack. Oh yes, we've also got a wall-mounted pressure washer, which is simply called wall-mounted still high pressure washer. That's what it's called. And then the workshop benches are Workbench, part of Workbench Pack, which also includes some decoration you can get as well. Just quickly run over to Webby.
And there's also the farm scrap.
Yes, and the general scrappage is part of the farm decoration. There's a couple of them actually. I'll have to try to link them in the description. But we've got these walls for the bale shed are Deko stones T&L Big Pack 1. The skip, one of the decoration packs. Yes, you also get decoration in the highest fishing. One of the decoration pack, additional decoration package mod. Just the additional decoration. Poo pit, I believe, is by Black Sheep Mod, and that's just old Manure Heap. These slurry hoses, where are they? They are bunker silo pack is what we've got here for the tyres and stuff, which you can actually place tyres on top, but make sure to delete them when you are wanting to get your silage. Got some scrap for the farm. There's old tractors, got cars in.
So guys, if you just want decorations for the farm and scrap, I'd recommend just getting all the
placeable farm package. You get oil slick, silage bales, rusty front loader bucket, which we've got in this corner over here, potato box, old roller, stack of straw, old IBC, farm
stack of straw. Cool.
This is part of the workbench pack.
Is that another decoration?
I think it's on decoration. Then others is
Cause is that...
and this is the bedroom.
No, look at the favourite programme.
And then we've got
Look at the TV, Joe, look at me.
What, in the robot voice? We've got some very dodgy sofa looking out the window. And we've got the loft,
Yeah.
which I can't get into. With Webby's favourite television programme, and his chair, and his toy horse, and just nothing else. Then downstairs, got a rocking chair in the corner, we got sofa, we got kitchen. I'll quickly lock Webby in there. And then we got your friendly Walter to assist you for no apparent reason. That's the water thing that's been placed. I think that's in the base game. And,
He wobbles all over the place.
Yeah. We also got these car fig glues. Forgot about these. These are.
Oh, you can actually get proper car fig glues, or you can get like modern car fig glues.
Yeah, these are just some decoration ones. I believe they are part of Placeable Dairy Farm package. We've got
and we've got some slats.
And we've got some bits of concrete. This is part of the same pack. You can also place a slurry thingy mabob. Well, there isn't one of these on this farm for this, so yeah, there you go. Right, this concludes the farm tour. I don't think we've forgotten anything.
There's a roller down this side here.
Yeah, that's part of something I've already said. Oh yeah, there's the car ramps, isn't there? I forget what these are part of actually. The car ramps are part of. Car ramps are part of the addition decoration package, which includes the scrap as well. No, I'm pretty sure you can get some usable ones, but I don't think I've got them on this save.
Yeah, I think they're the red. I think they're red ones.
Yeah. Anyway, back through the wall.
Hang on, 2 seconds.
Ah, my ears. Okay. Right. Well, that concludes the farm tour. So, thank you for watching, and goodbye. Say goodbye.
And see you next time. Bye for now.
You walk through the door and then open the door as you walk and then you just walk back in again. What? Okay.
This shed's rubbish.
I know. I don't know why this one does it and not. Yeah, just beware if you're placing the single door green one, or possibly blue, I don't know why, but the walls are not collidable with player, or bales, or
They are
pallets.
with-
They're only
they
they are
are with-
only collidable with vehicles. Just beware. And also not.
This one you can.
This one is,
stop
however,
you. I don't know.
collidable with things. Just be wary of that. That is a bug. But yes, this is all console, so you can all get these mods on Mod Hub. So there you go. Right, goodbye.
Bye.
Off into the distance he runs. Oh, he's gone. Goodbye. Subscribe and like if you enjoyed. Goodbye.